sharing intelligence on Islamic State terror threats is in America's interests. Winston Churchill and FDR knew that Joseph Stalin was evil, but they shared intelligence with him about the Nazis because they were united for the purpose of defeating Adolf Hitler. But the Washington Post is outraged that any intelligence should be shared with Russia. And you know who else is outraged? Former officials. Get this, ready? It is all kind of shocking, said a former senior U.S. official who is close to current administration officials. Trump seems to be very reckless and doesn't grasp the gravity of things he's dealing with, especially when it comes to intelligence and national security. And it's all clouded because of this problem he has with Russia, unquote. Yeah, it's all clouded, eh? Here's another Washington Post article called U.S. Offers to Share Syria Intelligence on Terrorists with Russia. That's a bit friendlier in tone, isn't it? But you see, this headline, as you can see in the bottom left, was from June of 2016, and it was Barack Obama making the offer to share intelligence with Russia. So that's cool in the eyes of the Washington Post. No problem there, right? No scandalous gossip from unnamed officials. But like I say, the Washington Post's latest eruption about Trump doing the same thing wasn't even quoting an official. It quoted former officials. So someone who wasn't at the meeting, not even in the administration, but who's still shocked. Not shocked enough to use his own name, which is weird because since he's a former senior official and isn't at risk of being fired or anything, why wouldn't he use his name? Maybe he's not really a senior official at all. Maybe if his identity were known, people would say, oh, that crank, and laugh at him. Who knows? That's the thing with anonymous sources. You have no idea what the conflicts of interest are, who pays them, what their expertise is, and you can't check for yourself. But don't you think it's odd that a former official would want to stay secret? On a scale of 0 to 100%, what do you think the likelihood is that that former senior official doesn't even exist? That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.